To get a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, check if you are eligible for a new router by logging into your Spectrum account online or through the mobile app. If you are a current Spectrum customer, you can check your account status and see if you are due for an upgrade. Next, contact Spectrum customer service to request a new Wi-Fi 6 router. You can do this by calling the customer service number or by chatting with a representative online. Let them know that you are interested in upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6 router and they will guide you through the process. Spectrum will then send a new router to your address or you can pick it up from a local store. Once you receive the new router, follow the instructions provided to set it up. You can also contact Spectrum technical support if you need help with the setup process. It is essential to note that Spectrum may charge a fee for the new router, so be sure to ask about any costs associated with the upgrade when you contact customer service. Additionally, if you are not a current Spectrum customer, you can sign up for their services and choose a Wi-Fi 6 router as part of your plan. When setting up your new Wi-Fi 6 router, make sure to place it in a central location in your home to ensure the best possible coverage. You should also change the default password and network name to secure your network and prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily get a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router and enjoy fast and reliable internet connectivity. Remember to always check your account status and contact customer service if you have any questions or concerns about the upgrade process.